So if you guys remember, Aptos was a new Layer 1 blockchain that launched earlier this year and absolutely exploded into the top 50. Like Solana, Aptos had a ton of venture capitalist investors, VC funding. Whenever you have VC funding, look out because things could get interesting. And here today, we've got some news. Definitely interesting. So make sure you guys subscribe down below. You're going to want to hear this because Aptos just partnered with a mega corporation getting into AI. AI is the flavor of the month. There's no doubt about it. In fact, even Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, who had all eyes on crypto, is shifting his attention to artificial intelligence. Basically, putting crypto on the back burner so they can figure out AI because it's coming. It's here, and it's only going to get more pervasive. And there's a huge element to AI within the crypto industry. We've seen AI cryptos absolutely explode earlier this year. And really, when we talk about big data and AI, it lends itself perfect to the blockchain. So what's going on with Aptos and who are they partnering with? That's what we're going to dive into in this video. Real quick, though, before we jump in, quick word from our sponsor today. It is Grape. They, too, a new Layer 1 blockchain like Aptos, a little bit newer. They launched in late July. They are doing a phenomenal job here early on. They're getting into Web 4 and, guess what, artificial intelligence. And they are building out blockchains for companies. All the links are down below. There's still access right now to get Grape at a $46 per coin price using my link. It's being traded on the live market right now at $173. Check out all the links down below. Full disclosure, if you do decide to buy during using my link, it is a 120-day hold period. However, you're going to get 60% bonus tokens back when you use my link. So keep all that in mind and check out all the links down below. So let's bounce back in because Aptos is one of the top movers right now in the last 24 hours. Volume has spiked significantly. The volume spike is up nearly 300% in the last 24 hours, and it's on the heels of this news. Check this out. Microsoft and Aptos Labs are collaborating on new AI blockchain solutions. So remember when I told you about Aptos and how they launched this year and nobody heard about them until they were in the top 50 all of a sudden? They had all that VC money? Well, it makes sense that months later, they're partnering with a massive company like Microsoft. First and foremost, it's amazing to see these big companies like Microsoft getting into crypto. It tells us as investors that we're super early. We're in here before the suits. We're in here before the big dogs. We're getting, instead of getting the crumbs, we're getting the main entree right now in crypto, right? So let's talk about this partnership a little bit more because Aptos Labs, of course, the new Layer 1 blockchain started by former Facebook employees to bring the company's DM project, formerly Libra, if you remember that, to life. They're expanding their tools and services using Microsoft's AI tech. According to a press release, Aptos is leveraging Microsoft's infrastructure to deploy new offerings that combine AI and blockchain, including a new chatbot called Aptos Assistant. These chatbots are going to be massive. By the way, that company I mentioned earlier in the video, Grape, they're doing the same thing. They're building out a chatbot as well. These are going to be everywhere. They already are. Of course, the likes of ChatGPT, helping people write emails around the world. That's just scratching the surface of what this is going to look like in the next 2 to 3 years, maybe even sooner, because AI is moving at a pace we've never seen before. Seriously. I mean, internet adoption was relatively fast. AI adoption is 100 times faster. It's crazy how things are developing. Now, these chatbots will answer user questions about, in this case, the Aptos ecosystem and provide helpful resources to developers who want to build smart contracts and decentralized applications. The chatbot here that they're discussing is powered by Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service. And here's a quote from the CEO of Aptos Labs. Check this out. Artificial intelligence and blockchain tech are quickly converging for one important reason. They are both generational breakthroughs that profoundly impact the evolution of the internet and will shape society. I couldn't agree more. In fact, I made a video about this months ago talking about these two emerging technologies, AI and blockchain, and how important it is to learn both of them if you want to be successful and you want to make money in the next decade. Aptos is also integrating Move, its native programming language, onto GitHub's Copilot service, an AI programming tool which will support contract development for developers, unit testing, formatting, and prover specifications. So this is a major, major partnership. Again, Aptos telling CoinDesk that Microsoft and Aptos Labs are working closely to bring these tools to life. This is just another example of why we're early in blockchain and why we have to look at the entire crypto space as one big, massive opportunity right now. And Aptos Labs just got a little bit more interesting. Aptos today up a little bit, selling off a little here, but Aptos still a top 100 crypto that just got a lot more enticing, I think, for investors. Let me know what you guys think down below. Appreciate the comments as well, and definitely like and subscribe as well. We'll see you. Bye.